Welcome. In this video I will tell you about top 5 hidden settings that you must try on your HUAWEI Watch Ultimate 2. And the first thing I wanted to show you is the emergency mode activation. I surely don't want you ever to happen to be in a situation where you need to use this action or this feature, but still I really want you to know how it works. Basically what you have to do is quickly press the power button 5 times, or basically the digital crown 5 times. And this will enable the emergency mode, and you can quickly call either the police, the ambulance, or the fire department. And it's crucial to know about this thing. And now let's go to something less crucial, the gesture camera controls. If you scrolled through your apps menu sometimes, you probably seen this remote shutter for your camera, and you probably know that if you open the camera on your phone, you can just tap on the camera icon on your watch and it will take a photo for you. But I didn't know that you can also do the same thing much easier using just gestures. All you have to do is wear your watch on your wrist and make sure that it sits firmly on it like this. And now, performing the thumb and index finger gesture like this. Well, sometimes it doesn't work from the first attempt, but basically, if you quickly tap your index finger and your thumb 2 times, it will take a photo for you. So this is also a very interesting feature, and it comes in handy for users to know about it. So the next thing is the workout screen customization, which you definitely must try if you're an active user. In order to change it, you have to go to the workout section, which is usually the first app on the list, or the first one you see on the list. First of all, go to workout settings at the very bottom of the workouts list, and here you can auto detect workouts, which is a very cool feature since you don't even have to adjust the you don't even have to select the workout before beginning it. You can begin right away and the watch will detect it for you. You can also enable recovery heart rate here and adjust the shortcuts for music and metronome, but you can also, for many of these available activity types, you can customize everything like metronome, massage prevention, data displayed on the screen. You can adjust each card that you see on your screen during the workout. You can select the elements that you want to see during the workout, and you can also adjust reminders, battery performance. You can pin a workout to the top if you want to easily access it at any time, and you can also adjust many different additional settings for it. The next feature is it's pretty common feature, but you have to know about it if you have connected your phone calls or synced your phone calls with your watch. If someone is calling you, or if you get an alarm during a meeting, you can just cover your watch face with the palm of your hand, and this will silence your watch in a second. And the last thing I wanted to show you is adjusting the do not disturb mode. Let's go to the app menu, let's go to settings. Here find the focus, and in focus mode you can select do not disturb and schedule it for every day. You can select the time and the days when it should be active here, so that you can focus on your sleep and not receive any notifications during it, or maybe on your work. And then you can customize the sleep mode here. which is which is actually a better option. I don't know why I even assumed the previous assumption. Yeah, and that's the 5 hidden settings that you must try on your Huawei Watch Ultimate 2. I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.